Penalties for DWI in New Jersey recently changed to benefit drivers to some extent. The changes were as follows. Firstly, a first offender under many circumstances whereby they previously had to serve some period of license suspension, at least 6 months. In New Jersey now, many offenders, after being convicted or having pled guilty to a DWI in New Jersey, receive, among other things, the requirement of installing an ignition interlock in their vehicle for a period of time, 7 to 12 months, in some cases 3 months. And with other financial penalties, this ignition interlock serves the purpose of what license suspension in certain of these cases would engender. The interlock is, very briefly, a device that has to be installed, paid for by the defendant, hooked up to his vehicle. And the way it's hooked up to the ignition is that a mouthpiece must be blown into before the car is started. And if alcohol is determined or observed on the breath in terms of the operation of the machine, the car will not start. So an ignition interlock prevents someone who has consumed alcohol in the recent past from starting their motor vehicle. It's installed in the motor vehicle that they use and only that vehicle. So in terms of penalty, obviously that's an enhancement. It's not a free bite at the apple because there are still significant financial penalties associated with it. Obviously, there's impact for insurance rates when someone's convicted of DWI. But the fact that the New Jersey legislature has determined that keeping drunk drivers off the roads is the major concern. It was felt by the legislature that preventing someone from driving who had alcohol in their breath would serve that purpose also. I might add, though, that in cases of 0.15 breath alcohol reading or above, there is still, on a first offense, a requirement of a 4 to 6 month license suspension. And for second and third offenses, the penalties, like in many states, do get more severe.